Hi, welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, your online earning tutorial channel. In this video, we are going to tease our minds and our brains on the numbers game, understanding financial mathematics, or what we call moneymatics, the numbers game. I want to do a short video to tease your knowledge in understanding the numbers when it comes to your finances. And so we are going to look at the power of compounding, or the power of compound interest. So this is your question. Which one will you choose? 1 million, or that's $1 million today, or to receive 1 cent today, that will double for the next 30 days. $1 million cash today, or you will receive 1 cent today, and that 1 cent will double every day for the next 30 days. Now I'm going to leave a video, and then you are going to watch it. But before the video, I am just going to leave the question for you to vote and tell me which of them you will choose. $1 million today, or you will receive 1 cent today, and that 1 cent will double every day for the next 30 days. Let's get inside and see the wonders of compound interest. I know definitely you will choose 1 million. Who want to accept 1 cent today, just 30 days? What can 1 cent double to do in 30 days against 1 million US dollars? But let's get inside and then let's see the magic or the power of compounding. All right, so we are going to look at it day by day and see how much your 1 cent will become for the next 30 days. I know the bet is as good as mine. You will take the $1 million. All right, so day 1, the challenge is you receive 1 cent, and then it is going to double. Day 2, it becomes 2 cents. Day 3, it becomes 4 cents. Day 4, it becomes 8 cents. Day 5, it becomes 16 cents. I believe you are still saying 1 million is good to go. Day 6, 32 cents. Day 7, 64 cents. Day 8, $1.28. Day 9, $2.56. And then day 10, $5.12. So you are saying 1/3 is gone. It just left with 20 days. What can $5 do in the next 20 days? Let's keep going. Day 11, it becomes $10.24. Day 12, it becomes 20 cents, $20.48. Day 13, it becomes $40.96. And then day 14, it becomes $81.92. And then halfway, it becomes $163.84. You are still wondering, my decision and my choice is the wisest. $1 million against this. Halfway gone is still 163. It is nowhere near my choice. Day 16 becomes $327.68. Day 17, it becomes $655.36. And then day 18, it becomes $1,310.72. And then day 19, it becomes $2,621.44. And then day 20, it becomes $5,242.88. You are still wondering, this is a good deal I have made. $1 million, day 20, left with 10 days. What can $5,000 do against my 1 million? Let's keep going. Make sure you watch this video to the end. And then day 21, the 5,000 becomes $10,485.76. Day 22, it becomes $20,971.52. Then day 23, it becomes $41,943.04. And then day 24, $83,886. And then day 25, $167,772. You are still saying it's just left with 5 days. What can $167,772 against my $1 million? It's a solid decision and choice I've made. It's left with just 5 days. What can this 5 days do against my almighty $1 million? Let's keep rolling. It just left with 5 days more. And let's keep going. So day 26, your 167 becomes 335,554. So it's left with 4 days. You are still wondering, but now you are beginning to do the mathematics and looks like this thing is getting crazy, and it looks like something is happening and the tables are about to tilt either against me. But let's keep going. I believe it's getting interesting. So day 26, you are at 335. The person who chose the 1 cent, the same day you receive the $1 million, on the day 26, the doubling, the power of compounding is beginning to show. And then the person is at 335. Let's look at it. And then day 27, you would have been at $671,088.64. That's day 27. We are left with 3 days. Now it looks like it's getting closer to your 1 million. Now look at the magic here. It's left with 3 days, day 27. So you can see day 27 here. It's just left with 28, 29, 30. And you are here already. So let's get to day 28 and see the wonders of the compound interest. So day 28 already. Check it out. Where is your 1 million against 1 cent from day 1? So you can see on day 28, you have 1,342,177.28. So that is the power. 28 days. The person who received 1 cent, the same day you receive 1 million, has overtaken you with 342,177. That is not over yet. Day 29, you are there. 2,684,354.56 Day 29, the person has doubled, or maybe 1.550% of your 1 million you received. The person received 1 cent. It didn't look like it could multiply in 10 days, but doubling power of money. And then let's look at the final day where you would have arrived. Final day. Look at it. $5,368,709.12. So 1 cent doubling each day for the next 30 days will land you on 5 million. But you see, when we see the figures like that and we don't understand the mathematics and we don't understand the numbers and we don't understand the power of compounding, you see a huge figure at the beginning of a certain period of time, and then you think this small thing cannot amount to anything over the next period of time, especially giving just 30 days, not 1 year, not 2 years. It didn't look like the 1 cent could multiply, but the interest rate is what you look at, and then the time horizon over which that interest rate is supposed to yield the outcome for you. So now my question again to you, if you are giving $1 million today against 1 cent to double for the next 30 days, the 1 cent will double every day. It means every day you multiply it by 2 for the next 30 days, just 1 month. What will be your choice? Initially, everybody would have settled for the 1 million, maybe myself inclusive if I didn't have this knowledge. But looking at the calculation we have done, you can see that the wiser decision or the wiser choice would be to go for the 1 cent that would double every day for the next 30 days. So you are welcome to Financial Knowledge and Financial Literacy and Financial Education. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification. Share the video if you learned something and you think this thing is intriguing. And then leave your question, leave your comment, and then let us interact. If you want to learn more about this, subscribe to the channel for more. And remember, compound interest is the one of the 7 wonders of all time, one of the magics of all time, and it is the secret of people who become millionaires and billionaires by letting their money multiply for them. So compound interest is the name of that game. 1 cent can become 5 million in 30 days, just by doubling. That's it. So anytime you see any opportunity, look at the interest rate and look at the time horizon over which it is supposed to yield the outcome, and then make your decision right. Thanks for watching once again. Subscribe for more. See you in the next video.